Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize embed payments with Webflow and Stripe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Webflow account. Select the project you want to work on. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations tab at the top of the Settings page. Scroll down to find the Stripe Integration section. Click on the Connect to Stripe button. You will be redirected to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and log in. Once logged in, you may be prompted to authorize Webflow. Click the Authorize Access button to allow Webflow to connect to your Stripe account. Return to the Webflow integration settings. Verify that your Stripe account is successfully connected. Next, go to your site's designer view. Select the checkout or payment-related element you want to configure. In the Settings panel on the right, find the Payment options. Enable the option for Stripe as your payment provider. Customize any additional settings, such as currency or payment methods. Save your changes in Webflow. Now, head to the Stripe dashboard in a new tab. Go to the Developers section in the left sidebar. Select API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Copy the publishable key from the Stripe dashboard. Go back to Webflow and paste the key into the appropriate field under Payment Settings. For the secret key, ensure that your server-side code uses it securely. Test your payment processing by creating a test transaction in Webflow. Confirm that the payment is reflected in your Stripe dashboard. Adjust any necessary settings or configurations based on your test results. Once satisfied, you are ready to publish your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.